Alright, this is Steve from Sparky's Garage. We're going to start the cleanup of the 68 Roadrunner. Start taking some of this head liner off. Alright, here is the driver's side. We're going to try to clear up all this debris. And let me see if I can take this carpet out and we'll see what the floors look like. The floors actually look pretty damn good. So let me start cleaning on this and let's see what kind of result we can get out of this. These are how cars are made. I mean, this car's been sitting in a field with no suspension on the ground. And I mean, it's got just some surface rust starting, but I mean, anything is a tank. It's solid. I mean, I for sure thought the floors would be rotted out in this thing. All right, I guess next we're gonna reveal the console. Actually, excuse me, the tunnel hump right there. And then look at the pile. I mean, I think it's full of crap and crud. Obviously mice, squirrels. I don't know what else has been in here. All right, let's keep going. Now this side does not look good. I can already see a hole through the floor right there. So we'll dig this stuff out. Well, this side's a crying shame. This is what happens to cars when they sit in the field, no suspension on the ground. You get a big gaping hole. Definitely gonna need a floor pan here on the passenger side. Again, I'm surprised on that driver's side. Solid on that one. All right, we got more to go. Drum brakes here, armrest, breather I found. We'll get this cleaned off. Gotta clean up this dash. There's that headliner up there. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna start cleaning the back out. You see it's just full of stuff like the front of this one, so hopefully there's no holes in it. Started pulling some parts out of the back of this. I got the original air cleaner. Looks like it's a license plate holder for the back. I found the bezel and the original radio. And the radio goes over here in this hole. Check this out. Notice this little cartoon character of the Roadrunner. And notice this also. It's got the Roadrunner emblem right there too. So, all right, time to clean this nastiness. See if we got any holes in this floor. I decided I'm gonna pull this rear seat out, so we'll see if we can get it out here. Man. Oh, there's a huge nest right here. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. Well, see how much stuff is in here. Golly. The rats have packed this thing full. Even the squirrels probably. I mean, that's a lot of stuff. All right, time to get cleaning. Oh, let the fun begin. Let the fun begin. This catalog. There's a date on here. See if we can find a date. And this looks like from the 70s. Oops. Oh yeah. Definitely late 60s, early 70s, for sure. Huh. Well, I'm gonna say it's pretty darn clean. Pretty awesome. Take a look here. Yeah. Nice and solid. This has got a little rust started. No biggie. Clean up some of the glue, but getting there. That's what I have to do next. I'm gonna finish scraping some of this glue and get some of the rest of this rug off. All right, not gonna lie, I've never sat inside a Roadrunner before. Never. So hey, what the heck? I own a Roadrunner now. It's a little junky car, but 68 Roadrunner. I'm gonna try to clean up the dash a little bit here. Let's see what we can do here. Oh boy. See what we can do here. Clean this thing up. Get rid of the years of dirt and grime and I don't know what else. Carefully clean this up. Missing a steering column, but oh well. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. This car has 90,000 original miles. It's a shame someone just left it to be out in the middle of a field. Ain't getting super fancy, but just using some simple green here. Trying to clean up some of this crud and grime and I don't know what else is in here. Look at that button. Perfect. Wiper button works perfect. say the wiper rocker switch. Just an off, it's a medium and a high, or a low and a high. Flasher. Stiff. One. Oh. What's this one? Lights. Spark. On. Energy working. Original cigarette lighter still there. Way cool. Alright, I grabbed that radio I found in the back, buried in the leaves and stuff. You know what? We should do the right thing and put this back in there. I'm gonna do a little quick clean here. A little wipe down. It's amazing when you just clean a little something, how much better it looks. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there and do the right thing. It deserves to be back in there. All right, I grabbed that radio I found in the back, buried in the leaves. Just gave it a quick little wipe and dust off. And I'm gonna do the right thing, and I'm gonna put this back into the car. It deserves to go back in there. All right, let's see if I can do this. All right, let's give it another little quick spray and wipe down. Too crazy, I think. All right, we'll go grab that bevel now. And I found this in the back also. I don't know how it goes. Well, this has got a notch, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna go up here. Ah. No? I don't know. I don't know anything about these cars. There you go. And I just grab 2 screws that I happen to have. Stick them in there to hold it together. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna go find that screw. Anyways, we'll give it another wipe down. That looks way better. Now the next thing we're gonna do is I found this also back there. The ashtray goes right there. So I'm gonna give it a quick clean. Okay. Again, I have no clue how this goes together. It can't go like that. Well, that's not good. Didn't mean to do that. Oh. Oh well. I tried. Tried. This is the spring for it. Yeah, that's how I would have done it. Ah, gosh darn it. Okay. Well, looks a lot better without the missing radio. All right, let's keep cleaning and keep finding more parts. All right, the back is all cleaned out. Unfortunately, this passenger side is the worst. This is the one that must have been sitting in the ground. It's got two little holes right there, a couple right there, and one right there in the back. Overall, not bad. The driver's side is solid. Same with the front floor pan on the driver's side, it's solid. Again, passenger side, it's the weaker one of the two. All right, gave the front seat just a little wipe. See where a brake drum was sitting there for I don't know how many years. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a wrap on the inside, and we'll start on the outside here. To be continued. Here's something pretty cool. Just noticed I was getting ready to put the rear seat back in. And I see this little metal tag right there. That metal tag, it's got the last 2, 4, 6, 7, the last 7 numbers of the VIN. This matches what's on the VIN on the dash. Pretty crazy, didn't know that. All right, next, I'm gonna open up the trunk. I have not had it open yet, so we're gonna see what's in here. There's no lock, so give me a quick second here. I'm gonna try to get it with the screwdriver. Okay. Bingo. Oh, check that out. What a dinosaur of a TV that is. Huh, oh, we got a hole right there, dang it. Some parts back here. Ah, another hole. All right, oh, I see another one there. Time to get to cleaning. Get rid of this ancient TV. Got the trunk all cleaned out. It's definitely got some rot. Oh well. This is not 100% gone, but pretty damn close. Check this out. Those original jack stand instructions. That's the original color. All right.